Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my podcast.
Hear Me Out, Episode 2.
Kamusta ka today? Let me ask you something real quick. What do you want but will never have? Hindi madaling sagutin, no? Kasi usually, yung sagot dyan, masakit. I want to share a real life story. May kakilala ko, let's call her Mia. Si Mia, simpleng tao lang. At simple lang naman yung gusto niya. Hindi siya humihingi ng sobra. She just want a stable life and to end up with the person she loved. She worked hard, nag-ipon, nagplano, ginawa niya lahat para maging ready. And then, there was this boy. Matagal na niyang gusto. Finally, naging sila. Everything felt right. At iniisip niya na, Lord, thank you ha. Ito na yun. They even prayed sometimes, asking God to bless their relationship. But after a few years, things slowly fell apart. Walang cheating, walang malaking away. They just grew in different directions. And then one day, it ended. At first, hindi kayang tanggapin ni Mia. Kasi sa isip niya, ginawa ko naman lahat. Ginawa ko naman lahat ng tama. Hindi naman ako nagkulang. Pinagdasal ko naman to. Have you ever felt that? Yung you did your best. You prayed about it. You gave your all. Pero hindi pa rin naging sapat. Months passed. Pero dala-dala niya pa rin yung tanong na, bakit hindi pwede? Bakit hindi siya? Bakit hindi kami? Lord, bakit hindi mo binigay? Ikaw din may sariling Mia moments. Maybe it's a person you can't have anymore, a dream na hindi natuloy, or a life you thought you'd be living by now. One day, Mia said something that stuck with me. Sobrang gusto ko yun, pero siguro hindi siya talaga para sa akin. And then she added, siguro mas alam ni God na hindi ko pa naiintindihan. And that's when it hits me. Not everything you want is meant to stay in your life. And not every prayer is answered the way you expect it. Here are some lessons of the story. Kahit gaano mo kagusto, kung hindi siya aligned sa plano ni God na para sa'yo, it won't last. God's no is still an answer. Minsan nakala natin silence lang. Pero it's actually protection or redirection. Sometimes, people grow apart. And it's no one's fault. Hindi lahat ng ending may kontrabida. Minsan, hindi lang talaga kayo sabay sa path na binigay ni God. Your almost is still meaningful. Huwag niyong iisipin na sayang yung oras, yung effort, at pagmamahal. Because God can use those experiences to shape you. Acceptance is not losing. It's trusting God. Masakit, oo. Pero doon magsisimula yung healing at faith. God's plan are bigger than your expectations. Hindi mo man makuha yung gusto mo ngayon, pero that doesn't mean you're missing out. It might mean you're being prepared for something bigger, for something better. So again, what do you want but will never have? And here's a harder question. Can you trust God, even if He doesn't give it to you? Because at the end of the day, faith is not about getting everything you prayed for. It's about believing that God is still good, even when the answer is no. If you are holding on to something that you know that you can't have it anymore, it's okay to feel sad, but don't stay stuck there. Some things are meant to be part of your story, but not your ending. And maybe God is writing something better for you. And remember, not getting what you want doesn't mean God forgot you. Sometimes it just means He's leading you somewhere greater.